Simple and best. English.
Hi friends, welcome back. Today, you will practice 30 commonly used Are We questions.
For each question, you will practice one positive answer and one negative answer. Please say each line out loud to improve your pronunciation and speaking confidence.
This will help you master asking and answering Are We questions in English. Are you ready?
Let's begin.
Are we late?
Yes, we are. We are late.
Are we late?
No, we're not. We still have time.
Are we early?
Yes, we are. We are early.
Are we early?
No, we're not. We arrived on time.
Are we on time?
Yes, we are. We are on time.
Are we on time?
No, we're not. We are running late.
Are we ready?
Yes, we are. We are ready.
Are we ready?
No, we're not. We are not ready yet.
Are we finished?
Yes, we are. We are finished.
Are we finished?
No, we're not. We still have more to do.
Are we done?
Yes, we are. We are done.
Are we done?
No, we're not. We are not done yet.
Are we okay?
Yes, we are. We are okay.
Are we okay?
No, we're not. We need some help.
Are we safe here?
Yes, we are. We are safe here.
Are we safe here?
No, we're not. We need to move.
Are we close to the destination?
Yes, we are. We're almost there.
Are we close to the destination?
No, we're not. We still have a long way to go.
Are we near the station?
Yes, we are. We are near the station.
Are we near the station?
No, we're not. We are far from the station.
Are we going now?
Yes, we are. We are going now.
Are we going now?
No, we're not. We are going later.
Are we leaving now?
Yes, we are. We are leaving now.
Are we leaving now?
No, we're not. We are staying a bit longer.
Are we coming back later?
Yes, we are. We are coming back later.
Are we coming back later?
No, we're not. We are not coming back today.
Are we meeting today?
Yes, we are. We are meeting today.
Are we meeting today?
No, we're not. We are meeting tomorrow.
Are we meeting here?
Yes, we are. We are meeting here.
Are we meeting here?
No, we're not. We are meeting somewhere else.
Are we waiting here?
Yes, we are. We are waiting here.
Are we waiting here?
No, we're not. We are waiting outside.
Are we going together?
Yes, we are. We are going together.
Are we going together?
No, we're not. We are going separately.
Are we taking the bus?
Yes, we are. We are taking the bus.
Are we taking the bus?
No, we're not. We are taking the train.
Are we taking the train?
Yes, we are. We are taking the train.
Are we taking the train?
No, we're not. We are taking the bus.
Are we driving there?
Yes, we are. We are driving there.
Are we driving there?
No, we're not. We are taking public transport.
Are we going the right way?
Yes, we are. We are going the right way.
Are we going the right way?
No, we're not. We need to turn around.
Are we on the right bus?
Yes, we are. We are on the right bus.
Are we on the right bus?
No, we're not. We are on the wrong bus.
Are we on the right train?
Yes, we are. We are on the right train.
Are we on the right train?
No, we're not. We are on the wrong train.
Are we at the right stop?
Yes, we are. We are at the right stop.
Are we at the right stop?
No, we're not. We need the next stop.
Are we at the right place?
Yes, we are. We are at the right place.
Are we at the right place?
No, we're not. We are in the wrong place.
Are we in the right room?
Yes, we are. We are in the right room.
Are we in the right room?
No, we're not. We need another room.
Are we on the list?
Yes, we are. We are on the list.
Are we on the list?
No, we're not. Our names are not on the list.
Are we next?
Yes, we are. We are next.
Are we next?
No, we're not. Someone else is before us.
Are we first?
Yes, we are. We are first.
Are we first?
No, we're not. We are not first.
Are we last?
Yes, we are. We are last.
Are we last?
No, we're not. There are people after us.
Well done, everyone. If this lesson was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to Simple and Best English.
Thank you for practicing with us today. Your support helps us create more simple English lessons for you. So, please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.